Jadi kami akan bentangkan macam mana kita nak restore and backup data tools. Jadi tools yang kami gunakan adalah Duplicati. Kami gunakan tools Duplicati sebab ianya mudah untuk difahami dan mudah untuk digunakan. So, nama saya Aunadini binti Ahmad Zaini, nombor matric 01 DDT 19F 1181.
Nama saya Nur Fakrul binti Muhammad Saad. Nombor matrik 01 DDT 19F1195.
Saya Nur Fika binti Muhammad Izzain, nombor matrik 01 DDT 19F 1204.
Nama saya Nur Husna Bakis binti Zainul Rijal, nombor matrik 01 DDT 19F 1174.
Okay, first sekali untuk business profile, a manufacturing corporation uses tape of their primary backup storage media throughout the entire organization.
Untuk open source system and backup data tools we concern, Duplicati is a backup client that securely store encrypted, incremental, compressed remote backup of local file on the cloud storage service and remote file server. Interface Duplicati is available through a consistent user-style web interface or as a command line tool. Security use AES 256 encryption or GNU privacy guard to secure all the data before it's uploaded.
Okay, for using Duplicati with V2, Duplicati has a good setting starter guide on its website on how to set up the source and destination for backup and configure application options. To use Duplicati with V2, need a unique bucket name for the bucket destination and account ID and V2 application key, which can be obtained from backlist or account dashboard. For benefit to using the Duplicati is an integrate updater notifies you when a new release is available and have many options and features including deletion rules, transfer and bandwidth option, and a scheduler keeps backup up to date automatically.
Tutorial restore and backup from data file using Duplicati. Restore. Step 1. To get started creating a new restore data, select restore from the home, then choose location to restore the data. That brings you to the location of data that want to restore. Choose the date that have to need to restore, then click continue. Step 2. Just choose the option that have been given. It depends on you to restore the file that place that you want and how to handle existing file. Then click the permission that need to restore or write file. The file and folder have been restored successfully.
Okay, next untuk backup data, step 1, clicking add backup in the main menu, we can choose between configure a new backup and import file from a file. Because there is no configuration file available and we want to specify all options, we choose the first option and click the next. Okay, untuk first kita add backup, so kat situ ada options add a new backup. We can choose antara nak configure a new backup or import from a file. Sebab kita nak backup data, so kami pilih configure a new backup. Step 2, enter a descriptive name, select the encryption types and specify a strong encryption key. Optional, Duplicati can generate a strong encryption key. So actually kita kena masukkan name, encryption and password. So untuk encryption, masukkan password. So password tu Duplicati boleh bagi tahu ada bagi tahu password kita tu cukup kuat ke tak. So kat situ ada tulis strength useless. So maksudnya kita kena masukkan password and make sure password tu strong. So step 3, make sure your password is strong enough. So kat situ kalau dah make sure password dah strong, and then we can go to step yang seterusnya.
So untuk step yang keempat, we can specify the store type we want to use for backup and enter the URL plus and if credential. For example, we choose the local folder option. So kat sini kita boleh pilih dekat backup destination dia, kita boleh pilih untuk kita letak. So kita test connection dia sama ada boleh atau tak. Kemudian Seterusnya, step yang kelima adalah select the file and folder that we want to include in the backup. This can be done by selecting file and folder in the file picker. Only local file and folder can be selected using the file picker. So dekat sini yang kita boleh tengok dekat source data, kita boleh select my document atau my music. So kat sini kami memilih my picture dan kemudian select the filter dan kita boleh pergi ke seterusnya. Step yang keenam iaitu under filter specify what we want to be excluded from the backup, specify exclusion based on the file or folder name, visit file or folder, or even use a regular expression. After then click next. So kita lepas dah klik include semua tu, kita boleh tekan button next.
Okay, for next step, step 7, schedule for backup. Select automatically run backup disable. Scheduling for this backup job. It can specify how frequently and at which time the backup should be started. Click next to proceed to the final step. Okay, so kat sini ada penjadualan untuk backup. So dia akan run automatic backup tu mengikut jadual yang kita tetapkan. Okay, then for the steps 8, click on advanced option. There is an extensive list of options to fine-tune your backup job. Click pick an option and select which option we want to set. Okay, this option is added to a list where it can change the value of the option, and then click the save button. Okay, and then for the last step is step yang ke-9, it is a schedule backup. Just wait for the next schedule time. The backup will start automatically, and then click run now just under the backup name. So untuk step ni merupakan penjualan backup yang dijadualkan. So kita akan tunggu je masa yang kita setkan tu akan tiba. So backup tu akan terus berjalan secara automatik mengikut apa yang backup yang kita dah setkan. So after the backup is complete, the Duplicati main screen will be display some additional information about the backup. So kat sini ada tunjukkan bahawa backup yang kita lakukan telah berjaya. Okay, itu saja pada kami. Sekian, terima kasih.